Kale and its health benefits fact or fiction. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that has gained immense popularity in recent years due to its perceived health benefits. It has been hailed as a superfood and praised for its rich nutrient content. However, some skeptics argue that the benefits of kale are exaggerated and question whether it truly lives up to the hype. So let's explore the facts and fiction surrounding the health benefits of kale. Despite the claims made about kale's health benefits, there is limited scientific evidence to support some of the more extravagant claims. While kale does contain high levels of certain vitamins and minerals, it is important to note that these nutrients can also be found in other vegetables. Furthermore, the bioavailability of these nutrients in kale may vary depending on how it is prepared and consumed. Some studies suggest that cooking kale can decrease its nutrient content. Additionally, the potential health benefits of kale may be overstated, as individual responses to dietary changes can vary greatly. It is important to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits and vegetables, rather than relying solely on one specific food for optimal health. To begin with, kale is indeed a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as calcium and potassium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting healthy bones, and supporting overall bodily functions. Additionally, kale is rich in antioxidants, which help protect the body against damaging free radicals and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. One of the most commonly touted health benefits of kale is its potential to aid in weight loss. It is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a filling and nutritious food choice. Furthermore, kale contains compounds that can stimulate the liver to produce enzymes that aid in the detoxification process. However, it is important to note that while kale can be a valuable addition to a balanced diet, it is not a magical weight loss cure. Another claim surrounding the health benefits of kale is its ability to improve digestion. Due to its high fiber content, kale can help regulate bowel movements and promote a healthy digestive system. Moreover, the presence of prebiotic fibers in kale can nourish the beneficial bacteria in our gut, which is crucial for maintaining optimal digestive health. However, it is essential to consume kale in moderation, as excessive intake may lead to digestive discomfort due to its high fiber content. Furthermore, kale is believed to have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation has been linked to the development of various diseases, and consuming anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce the risk. Kale contains compounds called phytonutrients, including quercetin and kaempferol, which have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory effects. Including kale in a well-rounded diet may contribute to lowering inflammation and promoting overall health. Contrary to popular belief, kale is not suitable for everyone. Some individuals may have an allergy or sensitivity to kale, leading to digestive issues, rashes, or other adverse reactions. Additionally, kale is high in vitamin K, which can interfere with blood-thinning medications. Therefore, individuals taking such medications should consult their healthcare provider before consuming kale or other vitamin K-rich foods. In conclusion, the health benefits of kale are indeed grounded in scientific evidence. It is a nutrient-dense vegetable that can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. However, it is important to remember that kale is not a magic bullet for health. Incorporating kale into a balanced diet can contribute to overall well-being, but it should be part of a varied and diverse range of foods. Moreover, individuals with specific dietary restrictions or health conditions should consult with a healthcare professional to determine whether kale is suitable for them. I hope this information on the benefits of kale. If so, please hit the like button. For more topics on kale, kale diets, kale smoothies, kale recipes, and healthy eating with kale, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's change our diet with better eating habits for a healthier life.